Hello, my name is Andrew Thomas, and this is my MAE 52 final project. I decided to model a Riva Aquarama, which is an Italian motorboat built between 1962 and 1996. This project was especially challenging because almost every surface is a complex curve. I was able to find a PDF document containing cross-sections and views of the basic structure. From this, I created many scaled images and aligned them on the appropriate planes in Solidworks. After many hours of tracing and projecting lines, I had a skeleton which could define all the surfaces. The split line tool was used often for the wooden inlays, bottom paint, and other graphical details. Accessories, such as the lights, vents, and grab handles, were very time-consuming because they each had to be fitted to the wooden curved surfaces, and therefore couldn't just be copied and pasted. For the simulation, I decided to test what would happen if the rudder was turned sideways while moving through the water. I fixed the shaft and applied a large force normal to the rudder. There aren't too many moving parts on a boat, but the propellers rotate and the rudders are synchronized. Thank you very much for watching.